Welcome to another Illustrate AI video. Today, I'll show you how to generate watercolor illustrations. Watercolor is a type of painting method where colors are made by mixing pigments with water. The paint is usually applied to paper. Unlike thick paints like oil or acrylic, watercolor is transparent and light can shine through the layers. This means artists need to plan ahead, as it's hard to cover mistakes. Since water is used, the paint can spread and mix on the paper in soft, unpredictable ways, giving watercolor artworks a unique, dreamy look. Imagine dropping a drop of food coloring into a glass of water and watching it spread. That's similar to how watercolor works on paper. It's loved for its fresh, delicate style. Here is a list of words you can use in your prompts to achieve the watercolor effect. List of additional words you could incorporate into your watercolor prompts to experiment with various effects. And here I have another list of ideas for color combinations you can incorporate into your prompt. In Illustrator AI, I used the art style known as digital art and experimented with various prompts to produce different watercolor illustrations. You can view the prompt on the left and the result on the right.